This is Shenzhen, a drone superstore that feels like a spaceship. A washing machine smarter than my first laptop. A meal worth every dollar. And art that moves. My first time here, and this city is unlike anywhere I've ever been. Let's go. So, first stop, the DJI Flagship store. And here's something that surprised me already. Even the taxis are high-tech EVs. Silent, smooth, screens everywhere. This is just normal here. And then you see it, the DJI Flagship. It doesn't look like a store. It looks like the future decided to land in the middle of the city. Step inside, and the ground floor opens up into DJI's entire universe. Every camera, every gimbal, every drone they made, all here. But what genuinely caught me off guard were these. Delivery drones and agricultural drones, built to fly over farmland and do the work of an entire crew. This isn't hobby tech anymore, this is infrastructure. And then my favorite corner, a display tracing their lineup all the way back to 2006. You stand there and watch it evolve, generation by generation, from something simple to this. It's quietly remarkable, seeing how far one company traveled in less than 20 years. And DJI isn't alone out here. Just nearby, some of China's biggest names sit shoulder to shoulder. Xiaomi, with their latest EV car right there in the showroom, gleaming under the lights. Then Huawei. Then Xpeng. I won't go deep on this today, but walking past them one after another, you really feel it. This little stretch is a snapshot of where Chinese innovation is right now. By now, it's lunchtime, so we headed to the mall nearby to find something good. And we found it, an award-winning restaurant tucked inside with interiors this beautiful. Warm wood, soft light, every detail considered, the kind of place you settle into. We kept it simple, just a few dishes. Each one plated like a small piece of art, and the flavors absolutely live up to the reputation. Now, the bill was not cheap, let's be honest about that. But was it worth it? For the craftsmanship, the setting, the experience, I'll say yes. Some meals you pay for the food, this one you pay for the moment. After lunch, a short taxi ride away, and Shenzhen hands you another one of its modern malls. And honestly, this is something I love about this city. The architecture, the scale, the polish is all so effortless. You're never far from something beautifully designed. But this next place, this one's special. This is Haus Nowhere. And it completely rethinks what a retail space can be. Instead of just shops, they have woven modern art right through the whole experience. You don't just shop here, you wander. The theme running through it all is insects, and it's stunning. Sculptures and installations of all kinds, delicate, oversized, intricate, scattered through the space like a gallery you stumbled into by accident. It's such a refreshing concept, art and commerce, side by side, each making the other feel more alive. And that's Shenzhen, a city that, in just a few short years, built something genuinely extraordinary. The technology, the food, the design, the art, all of it moving forward at once. My first visit definitely won't be my last. If you enjoyed wandering through it with me, you know what to do. And I'll see you on the next one.